What's up guys, we're testing the 1,000 horsepower all-wheel drive trophy truck down here in San Felipe for the Baja 250 with Fox.
Yeah.
Dude, it's 5 a.m. after King of the Hammers. No rest for the wicked, baby. All-wheel drive. Winter testing. It's raining. We're going down to San Felipe right now to test all-wheel drive. Literally got home last night from King of the Hammers, and now we're back on our way to San Felipe, which I'm excited. Get some time in the all-wheel drive. You know, you spend 2 weeks on a lake bed, the last thing you want to do is go play in the dirt a little more. I'm gonna be 100% honest. But we are excited. Go drive the all-wheel drive is always a good day. Let's get it. Nice job out there.
Thanks.
I'm gonna hold my Ben.
Oh yeah?
I owe Ben $50 and he's all fired up.
Yeah. Ben go for a ride yet or what?
No.
Yeah, bullshit. Came straight from KOH. Actually just did a little pit stop to repack my bag, and here we are in beautiful San Felipe. Weather's much nicer though. Freezing my butt off at KOH.
Yeah dude, freshy.
Yeah, drop it.
Where do I drop it then?
Somewhere soft.
There you go. Yep, just enough that we love her. I'm excited, dude. New ear cups, supposedly better.
You got something what to do, bro.
You get up in there, you get like, 55 feet up there in the air, and then you, and you go.
This thing is tight.
Looks fresh.
Dude, there's no way I'm hearing a goddamn thing in this thing.
Your new boot goofing. I don't know if you realize he's yelling.
She's much different having actual power going up Zoo Road. In the spec truck, you're just like wide open, just the whole thing. It's just like, this thing like literally cracked the throttle in third. And I'm like, yeah, I don't know how I feel about this shock setup. And then I like for what we're doing, like 70 or whatever. And then I looked down, we were doing 98. I was like, okay, no, maybe I'm just a little off. Yeah, in the spec truck, you could run Zoo Road pretty much wide open, you know, with the occasional checkup for like big G outs or rocks. This, you're like, this thing's too fast for this road. Now I see all the hype about Zoo Road. In the beginning, I thought it was a little soft, but then it kind of.
Out here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just gotta
go faster.
You gotta go down plane.
Oh my goodness gracious. 160's never felt so tight. I need to pull something.
You okay, man? Breathing a little deep.
Dude, I'm about to bend this wrench in half. This shit's tighter. You wanna give this thing a gander?
You're gonna one-hand this thing.
Dude, I'm warning you. Remember that muscle you claimed you pulled? Call me a weenie now.
He moved it, bro.
I moved it too. I loosened it for him.
Okay, let's get the impact down.
It's right here. Oh wait, Chris, you gotta do it for the video.
Pretty good.
Do we have to do it again? Alright, meet me on the other side. You got the clip there?
You get the clip? Alright, cool, then I'm gonna go back to sitting in the truck. Pretty cool. We're out here testing, and some locals just showed up, and we're like, oh, how'd you guys know we're out here? Like, oh, we heard the motor. And then they literally are all in my merch, so like complete coincidence. Kind of dope.
I just want to know, what are the chances that the people that hear us running are also Polvoorde fans wearing your swag?
They got lucky. Today's their day, dude. I'm pumped. You want to see if I had better stickers.
That's pretty cool. ¿Cómo estás?
Bien, you too?
Bien, bien. Soy Eduardo.
Carla,
Nice to meet you.
gracias.
Hola.
I need the black one.
Black one? Oh,
Sí,
you speak good English?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Gracias.
Gracias.
I think we go back to where we were, and then I'd like to look at the coilovers.
Okay. Not opposed to it.
That's foul.
I never bought a trophy truck. I wonder if this is how they make them sit.
Yeah. That's what I would do.
Like imagine just tooted trophy truck coming down. Dude, I think it'll probably handle really good in the bumps. Imagine how much like forgiveness you got.
No, dude, it wouldn't.
That's probably how John Daly rolls like that.
John Daly would drive something like this.
With beer cans just blowing out the back.
Cigarette smoke just engulfed inside.
Pristine.
With a Diet Coke pump in the back too.
Yeah.
They'd come into the pits and just fill the drinker with just
Swap out
rum
his
and Coke.
Give him a new pack of cigs. Cigarettes on the intake of the Parker pumper, so it's just constantly pumping cigarette smoke into his helmet.
Dude, back in the day, wouldn't they drill holes in their helmets so they could put cigarette in?
The NASCAR guys had open face helmets, so they had real cigarette lighters still. Caution, they just fucking light one up.
That's like Trevor Lake.
Yeah,
Packs
Trevor
a new
Lake.
lip on the,
Yeah, Trevor Lake would pack a new lip on the cautions.
Imagine you're just cruising on the pace lap and you get a wad of lip thrown at you.
Yeah, but you hit a bump and you fucking actually swallow it.
I bet you swallowed a lot of that.
No, I think those guys got it so they got like such a hole burned in there. It's like part of them.
There's a pocket. You know?
Yeah.
No, you should do
Some CrossFit, bro.
This is how we test spring rate. You should do it on the ground. Good.
Wrapping up day one of our San Felipe testing. Boys are cleaning her up, just going through, checking everything. yeah, overall good. Changed some eyebox springs. Fox threw a couple different valvings at it. Tuned a little on the live valve. I'm really happy where we're going in the right direction, especially in the big bumps. Dude, San Felipe right now is huge. So whole nother ball game than King of Hammers. But it is nuts. Like I've never, like normally driving up Zoo Road, like you're just kind of pinned and it's just whoa. Like in this thing, you gotta like oh, I'm going really fast. I gotta like tame her down. But no, good. Yeah, luckily the people here at Georgia are kind enough to let us take over their whole courtyard, and we got Rigid lighting up the night, allowing us to work on it all night and make some go fast changes. But yeah, it's exciting. It's finally getting some time to learn this new truck and make it go a little faster. She's fast, but I know Bryce and Luke, they've done a lot of this, so we got to catch up.
Come this way to the office. You zoom all the way in. That's when he wants to get reckless and act up. He hits that button.